Hey guys, my name is Derek and welcome to Classy Garage. I'm currently doing a series on projects for updating your garage. So let's take a look at the design and let's see what I have in store for this project. So now that I've shown you the design, let's take a look at the bill of materials that we will need for this project.
For your materials, for your shelf preparation, you're going to want a stud finder, a pencil, a tape measure, a level minimum 16-inch in length, and for your shelf installation, you're going to want to buy 2 Rubbermaid fast track wire shelves that are 48-inch by 16-inch, and this will include 6 uprights, 2 wire shelves that will go on top, 6 shelf brackets which will be mounted into your studs, and additionally you're going to want to purchase some Hillman No. 8 2.5-inch zinc plated interior wood screws.
I found a stud.
I'm going to hold down the button and I'm going to move across, and when the red light gets all the way to the top, that means I'm directly in the middle of this wooden stud that's behind this drywall. So that's where I'm going to put this bracket. I'm going to end up putting the bracket directly in line with that stud. So I've used the stud finder to determine where the studs are. I found that I wanted the top of the bracket to the top of the ceiling to be 5 inches apart. And now I'm using a level to make sure that this bracket is going to be level. Once I have that, I'm going to just use a nail. I'm going to go directly inside the hole, just apply a little bit of pressure, make sure I'm making a good sized hole where I can be able to apply the screw and be able to drill directly into the studs. Stud finder. The ceilings aren't always exactly straight, so you'll want to go directly off your bracket that you have and make sure that that itself is level. You can put your marks right here, and then just check again your stud finder. Just make sure as you move across it's directly where it needs to be. We have the brackets in, and now we're putting on these pieces which will suspend and have the grooves go right in these slots, and then we can put on our platform right on top of that. So these pieces right here, you can see here if you pull it over, you'll end up making this close shut. And what we're going to do is we're going to have our platform sit and rest directly in that, and then this will tighten it into place. And then this end will sit in the middle in between the platform right here. Hey guys, so we've reached the final portion of this video. I'm going to give you my inspirational message of the day. God never said that the journey would be easy. We're going to go through rough patches, we're going to go through problems in our life, but what's important to know is that the arrival will always be worthwhile. I hope you learned a few things on how to install overhead shelving. And if you have any questions, please put them down below in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Now go out there, design, create, and inspire.